Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have ULANZI D200 Stream Deck and I'm going to tell you how you can easily plug this Stream Deck into your MacBook. So as you might know, MacBooks don't have USB Type-A ports, but we have here a cable which is USB Type-A, and we have to search the box for the USB Type-A to Type-C adapter. And this just comes with the product, so you will have it. As you can see, we just have to plug the USB Type-A to this adapter. And now we have the USB Type-C actually. And let me move this from the camera. And as you can see, we just have to plug this into our USB Type-C port. And let's wait until it flashes. Main turns on. Let's wait. As you can see here, we have starting up. And as you can see, it works and it flashes. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.